Hello everyone, I'm Ravi Ganatra from Avalance and I'm here to present ZeroStride, the world's first artificial intelligence machine-based live content protection. Avalance is one of the global leaders in the cybersecurity space, and we've been involved in 100 plus successful investigations worldwide. For our clients, we've saved over 50 million US dollars. As for the company, we've been empaneled with Europol, Interpol, and Dubai Police. We've also been recommended as the leader of the Indian threat intelligence market. As we understand, piracy is a universal problem. In the digital age, it's very easy to copy and to share pirated content. And because this content is freely available, it causes drastic decline in the perceived value of legitimate content. And also because of the advancements in broadband speed and mobile devices, piracy is on the rise exponentially. Here are some stats. Only in US alone, there are losses to the tune of 60 billion US dollars per year in the film and the music industry. 75% of all devices have downloaded at least one illegal file, and 22% of the global internet bandwidth is used to access pirated content. What's the solution for this? ZeroStride's proprietary web crawling technology is capable of simulating human behavior while searching for infringement content all across the web. An extensive team of global copyright experts, along with automated multi-step mitigation techniques, allow us to rapidly eliminate large volumes of infringing content almost instantly. Our real-time reporting tool keeps you informed on the status of each violation, complete with all relevant data on the incident. And because of this artificial intelligence, machine learning based technology, we are capable of 24/7 monitoring of your assets. In order to avoid conflict of interest, we also ensure a two-step verification process for all detected infringements. ZeroStride has a SaaS-based platform for anti-piracy, and it's cost-effective. So it ensures to accommodate maximum number of clients and also deeper market penetration. We cover all incidents online, from cyberlockers, P2P ads to streaming, linking sites, and search engines. At the moment, we are involved with the Indian film industry, but considering the size of the country, we will also be looking at regional movies, and we are also looking at Hollywood that produces 2 movies per day. With the advent of OTT platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime, I think we are here to do more work than what we are currently doing. And we also would be involved in anti-piracy of applications, software, and ebooks. Here are some of the OTT platforms that we work with. And I would like to quickly mention one of the success cases where 98% of the infringement content were removed in just a matter of few hours. And this is only possible because of artificial intelligence. It is not possible even if you have a strength of 200, 500, 1,000 employees. It's just not humanly possible. These are the companies in the same industry, but our differentiating factor is obviously that while they are very high on strength of the company in terms of the number of employees, we just use artificial intelligence, and that just does the talking for us. These are some of our customers from different sectors, including technology, production houses, e-commerce, retail, airports, aviation, healthcare, and pharmaceuticals, manufacturing, and infrastructure. We also work with the banking sector, and these are some of our clients. Only in this year, we have had more than 50 awards and accolades, and here are some of the details. We've been working closely with Google, Facebook, and training their teams. We've reported a bug with Apple, Yahoo, Twitter, and we've been listed into Entrepreneur magazine. We've also featured in the Forbes this year, and we've been also featured in some of the leading TV shows in the country. We would love to have an association with Baker McKenzie, and what we are looking at is guidance and funding for global expansion, as well as legal expertise, of course. Avalance is devoted to protecting creativity and innovation, and this is our mission. However, our vision is to coexist in harmony in a piracy-free world. Thank you so much. That's my time. And for any more information that you might like to have, please feel free to contact us on hello@avalance.in. Thank you so much.